Look at this jar. $300. Luxury packaging. Beautiful branding. A long list of scientific-sounding ingredients on the back. Now look at what is sitting right next to it. Turmeric, raw honey, a ripe banana, an egg, and a small vitamin E capsule. All of those can be bought at any supermarket in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, or Australia for less than $5 total. And here's the part the beauty industry really does not want you to hear. The core active ingredients doing the heavy lifting in that $300 cream, the ones actually reducing wrinkles, brightening skin, and boosting collagen, are the same compounds found in those 5 kitchen items. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to make a homemade anti-aging face mask that dermatologists and estheticians have quietly used and recommended for decades. I will tell you what each ingredient does inside your skin and exactly how to apply it to get the best results. And I promise you, once you know this, you will never look at your kitchen the same way again. Welcome. I am so glad you are here. If you are new here, welcome. We cover natural skincare, health science, and simple lifestyle tips that actually work every single week. Before we dive in, if you find this kind of content useful, I would love it if you subscribed. Just click the subscribe button below and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Now, before we mix anything, let me explain something important about why skin ages in the first place. Because once you understand the biology, every single ingredient in this mask will make perfect sense. Your skin's youthful appearance depends on 2 things above everything else: collagen and protection from oxidative damage. Collagen is the structural protein that keeps skin firm, plump, and elastic. When you are young, your body produces it abundantly. But starting around age 25, collagen production begins to decline by approximately 1% per year. By your early 50s, you may have lost up to 30% of your skin's collagen. That loss is responsible for the sagging, the deepening lines, and the loss of that bounce that young skin has. The second driver of aging skin is oxidative damage, caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules generated by sun exposure, pollution, stress, and poor diet. They attack the collagen fibers in your skin, breaking them down faster than they naturally would. They also damage skin cell DNA, leading to uneven tone, dark spots, and a dull, tired appearance. So the goal of any effective anti-aging skincare routine is simple: rebuild collagen and neutralize free radicals. And every single ingredient in this mask targets one or both of those goals directly. Let me show you. The Master Anti-Aging Mask. 5 ingredients, all available at any supermarket. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Raw is essential, and I will explain why. Half a ripe banana, mashed smooth. 1 egg white, separated from the yolk. And the oil from 1 vitamin E capsule, pierced with a pin. Mix all 5 ingredients together in a clean bowl until you have a smooth, even paste. That is the mask. It takes under 5 minutes to make. And the cost per use is approximately 30 to 50 cents, depending on where you shop in the US, UK, Canada, or Australia. Now, let me tell you exactly what each of these ingredients is doing for your skin, because the science behind this recipe is genuinely impressive. Ingredient number 1, turmeric. Turmeric is a root spice used in cooking across South Asia, the Middle East, and beyond. But it has been used in South Asian skincare for over 3,000 years, and modern dermatology is now confirming exactly why. The active compound in turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories and antioxidants known to science. When applied to the skin, it penetrates the outer layers and neutralizes the free radicals that are breaking down your collagen. But turmeric does something else that almost no other ingredient does as effectively. It inhibits the enzyme responsible for melanin overproduction. Melanin is the pigment that creates dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone, the classic signs of aging and sun damage. In plain terms, turmeric fades dark spots, evens out skin tone, reduces redness, and creates a natural luminosity that no synthetic brightening ingredient has consistently matched. One important note for fair-skinned viewers in the UK, Canada, and Australia: turmeric can temporarily leave a very faint golden tint on the skin if used in large amounts. The half teaspoon in this recipe is the right amount. It gives you the benefits without leaving a visible color. Ingredient number 2, raw honey. Honey is one of the oldest skincare ingredients in human history. And the reason raw honey specifically is specified in this recipe is important. Processed or filtered honey has had many of its active enzymes and compounds removed during heating. Raw honey retains all of them. Raw honey is a natural humectant. It draws moisture from the environment into your skin cells, keeping them plump and hydrated. Hydrated skin cells make wrinkles appear shallower and give skin a healthy, dewy appearance. Raw honey also contains hydrogen peroxide in small, natural concentrations, which provides gentle antibacterial action, reducing the bacteria that cause breakouts and dullness. And raw honey promotes the natural renewal of skin cells, encouraging the shedding of older, dullness-causing cells and the generation of fresher, brighter ones underneath. In Australia and the US in particular, Manuka honey, if available and within your budget, is the highest potency option. But any good quality raw, unfiltered honey works beautifully. Ingredient number 3, ripe banana. This is the ingredient that surprises people the most, and it is also one of the most impressive. Ripe bananas are rich in vitamin C, one of the most essential nutrients for collagen production. Vitamin C is a required cofactor in the synthesis of new collagen fibers. Without it, your skin simply cannot rebuild what it has lost. Applying vitamin C topically, as in this mask, delivers it directly to where collagen production happens. Bananas also contain potassium, which hydrates and softens the skin, and a range of antioxidants that further protect existing collagen from free radical damage. But here is the detail that most people miss. Ripe bananas, the ones with the brown spots that most of us throw away, contain higher concentrations of active enzymes than firm, yellow ones. These enzymes gently digest and exfoliate dead skin cells on the surface, revealing fresher, more luminous skin underneath. Do not use unripe banana. The riper, the better. If you are finding this useful, please subscribe and ring the bell. Ingredient number 4, egg white. Egg white is the reason this mask has what estheticians call a facelift effect, that immediate tightness and lift you feel when the mask dries on your skin. Egg white is rich in a protein called albumin. When albumin dries on the skin, it physically contracts, tightening the surface and temporarily lifting the appearance of sagging areas. But beyond the immediate cosmetic effect, regular application has been shown to reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, improve skin texture, and remove the excess sebum and oil that sits on the surface, and makes skin look dull and tired. Many people notice that their skin looks noticeably cleaner, more refined, and younger in the hour immediately following removal of an egg white mask, before any longer-term benefits have even had time to develop. That instant result is one of the reasons this mask is so popular with people who try it for the first time. Ingredient number 5, vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is the most powerful fat-soluble antioxidant for the skin. While water-soluble antioxidants like vitamin C protect the watery parts of skin cells, vitamin E protects the cell membranes themselves, the fatty outer layer that shields each cell from damage. Applied topically, vitamin E neutralizes the free radicals caused by UV exposure, which is particularly relevant for audiences in Australia and the southern United States, where UV intensity is high year-round. It also reinforces the skin's natural moisture barrier. the protective layer that keeps hydration locked in and irritants locked out. A strong moisture barrier is one of the most underrated aspects of youthful-looking skin. When the barrier is intact, skin stays plump, smooth, and resilient. When it is damaged, from overwashing, harsh products, or environmental stress, skin becomes dry, sensitive, and prone to accelerated aging. One capsule of vitamin E oil, pierced and squeezed into the mask, is enough to deliver a meaningful topical dose with every application. Now, the application technique. Because applying a face mask correctly makes a genuine difference to how well it works. Step 1. Cleanse your face with warm water first. Warm water gently opens the pores, which allows the active ingredients in the mask to penetrate more deeply. You do not need to use a cleanser. Warm water alone is enough as a pre-mask step. Step 2. Mix all 5 ingredients until the consistency is smooth and even. The banana should be fully mashed, no lumps. Step 3. Apply the mask using your fingertips or a clean face mask brush. Use upward strokes on your cheeks, forehead, and around the jawline. Upward application encourages circulation and works with, not against, the natural anatomy of the face. Step 4. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Set a timer. Do not go beyond 20 minutes. Longer application can actually cause the egg white to over-tighten the skin and potentially irritate it. Step 5. Rinse with lukewarm water using gentle circular motions. The circular motion provides a light exfoliating effect as the mask comes away. Step 6. Immediately apply a gentle moisturizer while the skin is still slightly damp. This locks in the hydration and active compounds. For best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times per week. Consistent use over 4 to 6 weeks is where the most visible, lasting results occur. Here is what to realistically expect, because I want to give you honest timelines, not inflated promises. After your very first use, your skin will feel noticeably softer, cleaner, and more hydrated. Many people see an immediate improvement in glow and the appearance of pores. In the first 1 to 2 weeks of regular use, you will notice improved brightness and a more even skin tone as the turmeric and banana enzymes begin their work. By weeks 3 and 4, fine lines appear visibly reduced, particularly around the eyes and mouth, and the overall texture of your skin becomes smoother. By weeks 5 and 6, with consistent 2 to 3 times weekly use, most people see a noticeably more even, firmer, and luminous complexion. These results are real, but they require consistency. 2 applications, and stopping will not give you the full picture. A few important cautions before you begin. Always do a patch test first. Apply a small amount of the mixed mask to your inner wrist or behind your ear and leave it for 24 hours. If you experience redness, itching, or irritation, do not apply it to your face. Turmeric can temporarily tint the skin a faint yellow, particularly for those with very fair complexions. The amount in this recipe is calibrated to minimize this. Rinse thoroughly, and it fades quickly. If you have a raw egg allergy, skip the egg white and substitute with 2 tablespoons of plain natural yogurt. It provides similar protein and additional lactic acid for gentle exfoliation. This mask is not recommended for active severe acne with open lesions, rosacea in a flare, or broken skin, as the turmeric and egg white can aggravate these conditions. And if you use this mask in the morning, always follow with a broad-spectrum SPF before going outside. Turmeric can make the skin slightly more photosensitive, and sun protection is non-negotiable for anti-aging skincare regardless. 5 ingredients. Less than $5. Under 5 minutes to make. Turmeric to fight inflammation and fade dark spots. Raw honey to hydrate and renew skin cells. Ripe banana to support collagen production and exfoliate gently. Egg white to lift and firm. And vitamin E to protect and rebuild. Every ingredient doing exactly what the most expensive skincare products charge a premium to do, with the added advantage that you know exactly what is going in the jar, because you put it there yourself. Your kitchen has been a skincare laboratory all along. You just needed the recipe. Make this today. Apply it tonight. And in 6 weeks, I genuinely believe you will look back at this video and feel grateful you found it. If this video helped you, please share it with a friend who spends too much money on face creams. You could genuinely save them hundreds of dollars. Leave a comment and tell me, which ingredient surprised you the most? And have you tried any of these on your skin before? I would love to hear your experience. Subscribe if you have not already, and check the playlist on screen for more natural beauty and health videos made for you. Thank you for watching. Take care of your skin, and I will see you in the next video.